and welcome back. And if you're stopping by for the first time, welcome to my happy home. I am so happy that you can join me. You guys, it's been so long ago. I can hardly even remember, but it's been over 5 months that I have participated in a challenge or a collaboration. And the last one was the New Year's Day tablescape, if I remember correctly. And that was so long ago. Ever since January arrived, work has been my life because we were really busy. And well, that is all over and behind me now. So I am really excited to be participating in my first challenge. I think it's actually the first challenge of this year. So yeah, you guys, Tracey, and I would call her the diva of challenges. She is so good at coming up with this stuff. And she had for the month May, she had a couple of challenges. And this one is the You Are My Sunshine Rae Dunn Lemon Collection Hunt. And you guys, we don't have Rae Dunn here in our stores, unfortunately, but I had to be creative about this. So anyway, if you want to see what I created for this challenge, then you keep on watching. I suggest that you go, after you finish watching this video, go over to the playlist and watch all the videos of all the participants that have doing their best to create something beautiful to share with you. So without any further ado, let's get started.
And these are the items that I'm going to be using for this challenge. And you guys, our stores do not carry the Rae Dunn collection here in the Netherlands, unfortunately. My TK Maxx did for a little while last year, but it didn't have any left. I did a DIY on this lemonade pitcher that I will be showing you shortly, just right after this. And I printed a picture of the internet and framed it. So before I show you what I create, I will be showing you how I did my DIY on my Rae Dunn lemonade pitcher. I thrifted this glass pitcher for only 50 cents and I thought it would be perfect to create a Rae Dunn pitcher with it. I'm just painting it here with white acrylic paint. And this is what it looks like after it's completely dried and just using one coat of acrylic paint. I thought I would use Scotch tape to align the words, but I didn't do a good job at aligning the Scotch tape, so my word turned out a bit crooked, but that is okay. I am writing the word lemonade with a black Sharpie. Well, you guys, now let me show you what I create for my You Are My Sunshine Rae Dunn Lemon Collection Hunt Challenge. So you guys, this is my contribution to the You Are My Sunshine Rae Dunn Lemon Collection Hunt Challenge that is hosted by the so lovely Tracey over at Secondhand Traceyann. You guys, I was so happy to be able to participate in a challenge again. It has been so long, and I hope to be able to participate and to collaborate on much more of these challenges to come. So I hope that you have enjoyed this and that you got some inspiration on how you can decorate with lemons. If you do, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below, will ya? And I urge you to go and visit the playlist and see what all the other participants have been creating for this challenge, and I can't wait to go and see the list myself. So for now, I want to thank you all so much for watching, and a special thanks to Traceyann for hosting this super fun challenge. I hope to see you all again in my next video. Bye!